seen to be inferior to men. Women only exist in this world to serve men. Women are not equal to men. But come on guys, it's 2024. Right now, women are so much more than that. We can be whoever we want to be because we are capable as men. Whatever challenges we may face, we can succeed because we're women and we're far more than what society tells us. We can be doctors, we can be leaders, we can be winners, and we can be record breakers. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, hindi na uso ang mga gender roles. Sabay-sabay na nating tanggalin ang gender stereotypes by proving ourselves na babae tayo at hindi babae lang. Student Council President, mas prefer nila lalaki.
Lalaki?
Yung poster for President Student Council, bakit ganun? Mas prefer nila kalalakihan. Para saan yun?
Baka mas prefer lang talaga yung mga lalaki. True, besides, lagi naman lalaki nanalo sa SSC for President. I'm sure, party list na naman nila po ang mananalo dyan.
Ganun? Bakit? Bawal ba tumakbo ang kababaihan?
Wala din kasi nakaka-interest sa tumakbo. Kaya siguro yung party list ni Paul, for sure, landslide na naman. Yes, mananalo na naman sila Paul.
Not anymore!
Ano?
Girls! Mag-a-apply ako!
Saan?
For Student Council as a President!
Talaga ba? Tara na punta na tayo doon para makapag-apply ka na ng President. Alam mo ba, Bes, kinakabahan pa rin talaga ako. Kaya mo yan? Ikaw po ba?
What if hindi niya ako tuloy sa
Kukunin ka niyan si Mama pa. Basta nakasamula mo yung loob mo.
Itatry ko na lang.
Good luck!
Hello ma'am, good afternoon.
Yes, good afternoon.
I'm here po to submit my requirements for position of Student Council.
Ay, ganun bata. Sure, but wait a minute, let me check. I'm not quite sure for the news slot na puno ba siya?
For President?
President?
Yes ma'am, ay mali po ba?
Wala naman. It's just that, sure ka ba?
Yes ma'am, may mali po ba?
Wala naman. It's just, are you sure?
Opo naman ma'am, in terms of qualifications for the position po, I'm qualified to be a president naman po.
Kakayanin mo ba? And what if you win? Kakayanin mo ba yung workload?
Bakit naman po hindi kakayanin ma'am?
Okay, sure, but let me remind you, your campaign will not be easy. It's just you and Paul. So, good luck.
Sige ma'am, ako po ang bahala. Ito nga po pala ang aking form. Maraming salamat po. Hello? Bakit? Ang dami na agad like and share sa post ni Paul. Ayan o, parang kayo-kayo lang yung nagla-like and share dito. Sa tingin nyo, kaya ko ba siyang matalo? Laki ng advantage niya sa akin.
Kaya yan, advantage lang naman meron siya eh. Kaya yan.
I mean,
Although sikat talaga siya, pero kaya mo yan.
sa school, lagi siyang top 1. Tapos ako laging top 2. Lalo na kaya sa campaign na ito, alam ko siguro talo na ako.
Ano ka ba? Kaya mo yan. Ang negative mo naman, ang nega-nega mo naman, Bes. Kaya yan.
Tara na nga, Bes, magkape na lang tayo.
Tara na nga yan.
I am Queenie Artebian and I will be running for Student Council President for this school year. Maraming nagtatanong sa akin, kaya ko raw ba? Sigurado raw ba ako sa campaign ko? And my answer is simply, yes, because why not? I am qualified for this position and I will do my best to win this election. Andito ako, running for the highest position in the Student Council, proving my point that women are capable as men. Kayang-kaya ko to at ang magiging trabaho At ang hirap ng pagiging isang president because I am a woman and my capabilities do not just end there.
Okay, class dismissed.
Ano na ang
Hi, excuse me. Tatakbo ko rin pala for president?
Oo, bakit?
Wala naman, parang ako nga dapat magtanong yan eh. Bakit?
Bakit hindi? Ikaw lang ba may kakayahan tumakbo?
Hindi naman ganun ha. I'm just worried that you're going to push your gender card.
Excuse me?
Bakit ka galit? Overacting mo naman.
For the record, I'm not being pushy at gusto ko lang talaga tumakbo bilang president at wala ka na dun.
So calm down ha. I get it. Women empowerment, gender equality, blah, blah, blah. And if you win, kaya mo ba yung position? Kaya mo ba yung hirap? Anong plataforma mo mga gender equality?
Excuse me, hindi lang yung gender equality, hindi lang yung nilalanggam, ha? And besides that, just prove my point na kailangan ko tumakbo bilang president dahil wala na sa lugar ang misogyny sa school na to.
Well then, sabi mo eh. Eddie, good luck sa'yo and your so-called gender equality.
Welcome everyone. Today is our first day of meeting the Avance. We will get to know our candidates for student council in the position of president. To start this event, I want to ask our candidates this question. What are your programs and advocacies as a student council president? Let's start with the very first female candidate, Winnie Ann Tabian.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. As a female student leading here in our school, one of my advocacy is to support the gender equality. For the record, wala pa namang nananalong president na babae. And I'll be the one to do so. And if I win, I will do my best to eliminate the gender discrimination and gender stereotyping here in our school. As a female student, naranasan ko na rin mag-discriminate base sa aking gender. At kapag ako'y naging presidente, gusto kong baguhin ito. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Okay, nice platform from your point of view as a female candidate. But let's not forget our very own Paul Allen Alcoy.
Thank you so much, ma'am. As for myself, as the current Vice President of the Student Council, I'm here to serve. Hindi para patunayan yung sarili ko. Andito ako sa inyong harap upang patunayan na ang mga plataforma at kaya kong madagdag sa school natin ay maganda at mas magdudulot ng fruitful na environment para sa student body themselves. Andito ako para ipagpatuloy yung magandang nasimula natin. I am not here to use my gender to win this campaign dahil ang totoong leader, inuuna ang kapakanan ng iba, hindi ang sarili.
Very well said, as always, Paul. Let's give him a round of applause.
Ma'am, I would like to clarify some more.
Go ahead.
Contrary to what Paul said, hindi lamang ako nandito para patunayan ang sarili ko, kundi patunayan na ang babae ay hindi lamang babae. Gusto kong ma-eliminate ang gender discrimination at gender stereotyping dito sa ating school, na hindi dapat nililimitahan ang mga kakayahan ng kababaihan. Women can lead, women can be presidents, and women can be more. At nandito ako sa inyong harapan para patunayan kung sino ako sa inyo. That's all. Wait lang!
Oh, tingnan mo na
Parang wala
PC.
naman yung president.
Ay, teka,
guys.
please yan, please yan.
Kapila.
Ito, tingnan mo na.
President. Uy, ba't?
Winnie Ann Tabian for president.
Panalo ka!
Sorry nga pala sa mga nasabi ko I was so wrong for that.
Paul, I forgive you. Nadala ka lang siguro ng emosyon mo.
Sorry ulit Ngayon na president ka na, I hope that you will do your best para patunayan sa iba yung mga bagay na manigilin mo sa'yo. Sana huwag kang malimitahan and also gawin mo yung best mo para masira yung stereotyping and also yung gender na naiisip nila ang mga babae ay hindi kaya gawin ng lalaki.
Thank you, Paul. Makakaasa ka na gagawin ko lahat bilang presidente at hindi ko sasayangin ang posisyon na to.
Congrats ulit.
Ayan, fresh ka na.
Thank you, guys. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na this is happening.
True! Nilampasok ba naman yung patriarchy na yun?
Patriarchy! Pero seryoso, simula pa lang to. Sana sa ganitong kaliit na ways, may pakita natin sa mga kababaihan, sa mga kapwa natin na babae na kaya natin sa buhay, na kaya natin magtagumpay.
At kakayanin natin.
True! Correct! Good luck sa iyong journey para sa unang president dito sa school. Na babae.
Maraming salamat, Casey.
Dito lang kami support sa'yo. As always, best friend.
Yes! Magkape na tayo!
Deserve na It all started with a dream. And now, I am here. I am now the Student Council President. The voice for equality, the voice for progressiveness. Patuloy pa rin ang laban nating kababaihan. Dahil hindi dito natatapos ang tunay na laban. I am a woman and I am capable of a lot of things. I am a woman and yes, I can be the voice of change. I am a woman and I can break the barriers.